At the end of our last section, we have talked about how to add a mask between the text and the photo to make the text more visible. Similarly, if we want to quote some words of famous people, but the picture of the people with a background which is too clear, so if we write in white, the word would not be quite visible. So similarly, we can add a mask to make the text visible. For example, if I have the picture of the famous person, and then if I want to quote some words, I can, for example, if I want to quote some words like that, like this. For example, I want to quote these two sentences. If I want to quote these two sentences, and if I want to write it in white, so it's not visible, what I can do is to just add a mask. We can insert a shape, and the shape of this mask, we can fill it with a gradient fill. So we can set the angle as 0 for we just want it to be from left to right, and then for the first stop we can set it as a eyedropper, and then shape outline. We should cancel the shape outline. So what we have is for the first gradient stop, if there are too much, for example, if there are too many gradient stops, we can delete some. We can delete some in the middle. Select it and delete it. Select it and delete it. Select it and delete it. So when we leave only two gradient stops, we can fill the left part with the color of the background. For example, we select the first gradient stop and then click on color and then eyedropper. We choose the same color of the background of the picture, and for the second we can choose as for example black. And then we can send this mask backward. Send backward to put it under the text, just between the text and the pictures. So now we can increase the font size. For example, we want it to be 24. I want the polish to be copper black, and then like this. Or we can like this. Quote it to be like this. So in this way, this text was much more visible. If we insist to write it in white, to quote the word in white, okay.